Can antimatter carve mountains? By simplest. Carving mountains with antimatter is theoretically possible but highly impractical and dangerous given current technology. When antimatter contacts matter, they annihilate each other, releasing a massive amount of energy as per Einstein's equation E equals mc². Even a small amount of antimatter could unleash energy equivalent to a nuclear explosion. To use antimatter for something as controlled as carving a mountain, we would need to precisely manage the antimatter reaction, something far beyond today's capabilities. Producing and storing antimatter is also extremely costly and difficult, with only tiny amounts ever produced in labs. Storing antimatter safely over extended periods is another challenge. In theory, antimatter could release enough energy to vaporize or disintegrate parts of a mountain. But with our current understanding, it's not a feasible tool. Would antimatter just make matter disappear without releasing energy? It might seem like antimatter should make matter disappear, but in reality, when antimatter meets matter, both annihilate, and their mass is converted entirely into energy. Matter and antimatter particles have opposite charges. For example, a positron for antimatter versus an electron for matter. When they collide, their combined mass becomes pure energy. The energy released during antimatter-matter annihilation is far greater than that of typical chemical reactions. For example, just 1 gram of antimatter annihilating with 1 gram of matter releases energy equivalent to a 43 kiloton nuclear bomb. This energy is mostly gamma rays and other particles, making antimatter a powerful but uncontrollable energy source with today's technology. Does that mean antimatter and matter don't disappear but are converted into energy? Exactly. They don't vanish when they meet. Instead, their mass is converted into energy via annihilation. This is a direct application of Einstein's famous equation, where a small amount of mass can produce a huge amount of energy. In antimatter-matter reactions, both particles' mass is fully transformed into pure energy. So instead of disappearing, matter and antimatter turn into energy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.